Hey guys, I'm Pete, and I'm here to present you this game-changing marketing software.
Shift4Shop allows you to configure just about any promotion you can think of. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up promotions and showcase how flexible the Shift4Shop platform is. So let's get started. First, go to Marketing and then Promotions Manager. The first thing we want to do is create a promotion. Give the promotion a name and description. You can then create specific dates. This is great if you want to do a monthly promotion. If you want to do something that is evergreen, non-expiring, you can then push the date way out to the future. You might want to do this for something such as free shipping over a certain dollar amount. You can also decide if a coupon needs to be used. For example, you might require buyers to use a specific coupon based on some type of special sale you're having, or you can automatically apply a coupon. For example, free shipping over X dollars. The benefit of using a coupon is the customer can remove a coupon from their cart versus a promotion that is automatically applied, which cannot be removed. This becomes important when you do not allow stackable coupons. We'll cover this a bit more later. If you want a specific coupon code, then choose Coupon. Name the coupon. You can fill out the discount right away or fill it out when you get into more details for your promotion. Let's keep it blank at the moment. Upon hitting Save, you'll go into additional details. It's important to note the promotion is not active until you tell the system to activate it. You will see a link to activate the coupon. You can also activate it on the main promotion page by clicking the gear icon and choosing to enable it. The promotion details gives you a lot of granularity on your promotion. If we open up promotion offers, it gives us a lot of granularity into how we want to structure our promotion. You can see we can choose dollar off, percentage off, or even free shipping. We can also decide if this applies per item or to the total cart. This becomes more interesting in specific dollar amounts off. If applied per product, but percentage off applied per product will not make a difference on the total order discount unless you exclude specific products. These next fields allow you to exclude products from specific manufacturers or include products in specific categories. If you want to apply a discount to a specific product, we can use this here. A fixed price product is a fantastic way to add a product within a cart. For example, let's say you want to add in a free item with a specific coupon. Then you would add it here. If you have the bonus points module installed, you can add bonus points here. Promotion rules allows other options to configure your promotion. You already chose whether a coupon is required, but it can be changed here. You can also select specific groups. This is useful when you have wholesale customers. Many stores in the US provide free shipping in the lower 48 states, but not Hawaii and Alaska. You can configure that within this field here. You can also specify minimum order quantities and minimum order amounts. For example, free shipping on orders over $75. Or maybe a wholesale customer has to order a dozen at a time to get the promotion discount. Non-stackable means it cannot be used with other promotions in the cart. These last two items can cause some confusion. It's recommended to choose either of these promotions, but not both at once, as they can cancel each other out. So let's create a few specific promotions. So first we're going to create free shipping with a minimum order size. Creating a promotion like this can help you increase your average order size. I'm going to make this evergreen, and I'm going to use it as a coupon promo. And we'll leave this part here blank. If we open up promotion offers, we're going to click free shipping and promotion rules. Order amount has to be a minimum of $75. If we save, we can then enable it. Let's create a buy one get one free promotion. So again, we're going to add a promotion and we're going to leave the discount blank at this time. First, let's apply the rules. We're going to use a coupon, and here's the coupon code. And what we want to do is we want to apply it to a specific product. So if we go down here to apply it to these products in the basket, click the gear icon and change. We can choose whatever product we want and change the quantity to 1. Now let's come up to the promotion offers, and we're going to come down to fixed price product. Hit change, and we're going to choose the same product. And the price is going to be 0. You could also do this if you wanted to offer something like buy one, get the next 50% off by just putting in the new price. We then save and enable the coupon. The final promotion will be a promotion that involves a discount off a specific item if 10 or more of another category or item are purchased. So again, we'll add the promotion, and it's going to be buy 10 men's items, get a shirt 50% off. Again, we're going to do this as a monthly promotion. Minimum 10 is what I'm going to call it, and I'm going to leave this blank for right now, and then click Save. So if we click Promotion Offers, we're going to start this at 50% off and save. But we can't stop here, because right now if someone uses the coupon code, it will take 50% off the entire order. So we need to apply some rules. First of all, the minimum order is 10, and it applies to these specific categories. So in this case, we're going to use men, and we're going to save that. We have one more step, so we'll come back into our offers, and we're going to apply the discount to a specific product, and we'll say this short sleeve product and save. So in this case, if you buy 10 items in the men's category, you'll get 50% off the unisex jersey short sleeve shirt. And these are just 3 examples of different promotions that you can create within your Shift4 shop store.
The only difference between the winners and the losers in life is one simple thing: the willingness to take massive action. You have that opportunity here today.